Hi, I'm Sophie from Sakura Mobile, and today I'm going to be talking about the process of getting a SIM card from Sakura Mobile and the steps to actually putting it into your phone and getting to use it. So today I'm only going to be talking about the long-term voice plus data SIM and the data-only SIM. It's different from the short-term travel SIM, so be careful. Alright, let's get started. So, after you apply for a SIM card on Sakura Mobile's homepage, you're going to get an envelope that looks a little like this. And it's going to be delivered to your address in Japan, or you can pick it up at one of our airport pickup counters. And inside, it looks a little bit like this. You have your payment information document, and also has some other important details. You have your SIM card and your SIM pin that looks a little like this. And you have your APN setting procedures. APN stands for Access Point Name. So after you put your SIM card into your phone, you have to do the APN settings. And once you're done with those, you can use your phone no problem. So let's see how it works. So first, we have to remove the SIM card. There are 3 types of SIM cards. From smallest to biggest, there's nano, micro, and standard. Depending on the type of device you have, the size of SIM card that you're going to need will change. Sakura Mobile SIM cards all come with an adjuster, so you don't have to worry about choosing the wrong size of SIM card. So, today we're going to be using this iPhone, which uses a nano SIM card, which we have here. You have your SIM pin and your SIM card. So first, I'm going to turn the front over. It's usually on the side. Put it into the hole. Pull this part out. The location is different depending on what kind of phone you have. For Androids, it's a little different. And then make sure that your SIM card is correctly lined up this way. And then put it back in. And you're good to go. Okay, so now we move on to the APN settings. If you follow this manual that came in your envelope, then you'll have everything you need. These are the instructions for iPhone users, and these are the instructions for Android users. So today, because we have an iPhone, we're going to be using this side. The first step is to go to the Sakura Mobile homepage, but you need Wi-Fi to do that. So make sure you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi before you start doing this. If you're at the airport, then you can use the free Wi-Fi that's offered there. Okay, so first step, we go to the Sakura Mobile homepage and scroll down until you see APN setting for long-term SIM. Click there. Choose your iOS version and download the APN profile. You'll get a few notifications, allow them, close when it says profile downloaded, and then head to your general settings. So in your general settings, you'll see the profile here below the VPN. You click that and you'll see Sakura Mobile. So now you have to install it. Click the top right, install, enter your passcode, click next, and install. Click done, and you're all set. So, to make sure it actually works, let's turn off Wi-Fi. It says 4G at the top, and it says Docomo here, so we know we're connected to the Docomo network. And let's try, for example, to look at YouTube. You can see that everything works as it should. And you can watch videos. So now you know that your phone is working okay. That was pretty easy, right? And that concludes our video on how to set up your phone with Sakura Mobile SIM cards. There was a little bit of explaining to do, so it might have felt long to you, but in reality, it should only take about 3 minutes. And if you get stuck, give Sakura Mobile an email or a call, and we'll help you out. Even if your APN settings aren't finished, you can still make phone calls. Our customer support team will help you get everything figured out. That's all for today. See you next time.